Shopify versus BigCommerce. Which is better for dropshipping? In this video, we'll break down Shopify and BigCommerce to help you decide which platform is better for your dropshipping business. We've included links to both products in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's dive right into it. Shopify is the go-to platform for many dropshippers, known for its ease of use, extensive app ecosystem, and powerful integrations. It's ideal for beginners and those who want a streamlined, no-fuss approach to setting up their online store. Shopify's user-friendly interface allows you to quickly build a professional-looking store, and its vast marketplace of apps means you can easily add functionality like abandoned cart recovery, email marketing, and more. Shopify also has a wide range of dropshipping-specific apps, such as Oberlo and Spocket, that make it incredibly simple to find and add products to your store. On the other hand, BigCommerce is a more robust platform designed for businesses that anticipate scaling quickly. It offers more built-in features out of the box compared to Shopify, which can save you money on third-party apps. BigCommerce is great if you're looking for advanced SEO tools, multi-channel selling, or if you need to manage multiple storefronts. It's also worth noting that BigCommerce doesn't charge transaction fees, which can be a significant cost saver as your business grows. However, BigCommerce can have a steeper learning curve, especially if you're new to e-commerce. When it comes to pricing, Shopify has a more straightforward pricing structure, but can become costly as you add more apps and scale your store. BigCommerce's pricing includes more built-in features, but it can be more expensive upfront. If you're looking for flexibility and scalability, BigCommerce might be the better option. But if you prefer simplicity and ease of use, Shopify is likely your best bet. To summarize, if you're just starting out or want a platform that's easy to use with lots of app integrations, Shopify is a fantastic choice. But if you're planning to scale your business quickly and want more built-in features without relying on too many third-party apps, BigCommerce could be the way to go. Both platforms have their strengths, and the best choice ultimately depends on your business needs and goals. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore these platforms further. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and reviews.